Today we are going to address one of the big questions in science, and this is, does Santa Claus exist? First of all, let me clarify that this is mathematics and not history, so we are not talking about the historic Saint Nicholas, but about the magical being usually known as Santa Claus, Père Noël, Babbo Natale, Weihnachtsmann or Juleman in the following. So Juleman is conjectured to distribute gifts. So first of all, let us define what a gift is, or a present. So a present is a one-sided exchange of goods. And an exchange of goods is called one-sided if the giver does not expect a return from the recipient. And here goods can be anything from material objects up to declarations of intent. So now we can define what a Juleman is. A Juleman is a physical or abstract entity that triggers the distribution of presents in the time period December 24 to December 25, for which no human being claims responsibility. A constructive way to prove the existence of Juleman would be to try and catch one. So this is what I tried first, but I failed. So now the challenge is that we need to prove something which we cannot see. Is this possible at all? Well, let's consider this example. In mathematics, algebraic numbers are numbers that can be expressed as the solution of polynomial equations with rational coefficients. All other numbers are called transcendental. For example, the square root of 2 is not a transcendental number because it solves the polynomial equation x squared minus 2 equals 0. So do such transcendental numbers exist? Well, here we can follow Cantor's argumentation. Cantor first established the fact that there are uncountably many real numbers. But then he was able to show that the set of algebraic numbers is countable. So the unavoidable consequence is that there must exist transcendental numbers. So Cantor was able to prove the existence of an object without seeing or without constructing it. Now we are trying to do something similar in order to prove our main theorem, Juleman exists. Well, as a matter of fact, we can observe the one-sided exchange of goods in the time period December 24 to December 25. And for some of these acts, humans take responsibility. But according to my own experience, there are also such acts where any human involvement is denied. So there must be another entity that triggers this distribution of gifts. And according to our definition too, this is a Juleman. And as a final remark, I should mention that this proof shows the existence of a Juleman, but not the uniqueness of a Juleman. For example, according to our definition, we cannot distinguish between Juleman